Dear students, today we are going to see the topics inheritance and polymorphism in Java. First, we should know what is the definition for inheritance. Inheritance is a mechanism where one class acquires or inherits properties of another class. The properties are nothing but class variables and methods. The main benefits of inheritance is code reusability, better code organization, and it helps to improve the maintainability of the program. For example, consider the class car where it extends the properties of class vehicle. Types of inheritance. There are four different types of inheritance. First one is single inheritance. Second one is multi-level inheritance. Then hierarchical inheritance, multiple inheritance. Single inheritance, whereas one class inherits the properties from another class. Multi-level inheritance, where a class inherits from another, which in turn it inherits from another class. There is different levels or exist. Hierarchical inheritance, whereas multiple classes inherit from the same superclass, and multiple inheritance, whereas we can implement the multiple inheritance in Java using interfaces. So how we can inherit the variables and methods in Java? The variables can be inherited from the parent class to the child class. The child classes get access to public and protected variables of the parent class. Whereas methods can also be inherited from the parent class to the child class. And when methods of the parent class are available in the child class, unless we have to think of the overriding. This is the example for inheriting variables and methods. Here the class name is animal. We are having variable name, which is the data type of string. The value assigned to the variable is generic animal, and the method is make sound, and the return type of the method is void. This method contains system.out.println statement where it prints animal makes a sound. Here we are having one more class called dog, whereas this class extends animal class. So here the extends keyword is used to inherit the parent class to the child class. Here the parent class is animal, the child class is dog. Next, how we can use the constructors in inheritance. Parent class constructors are not inherited, but it can be accessed using the keyword called super. Here see the example class. This is the parent class, and whereas this parent class has the constructor called parent. In this parent, we are just displaying SOP statement, that is system.out.println parent constructor. Here we are having the child class which extends the parent class. In this child class, I am just using the keyword called super, whereas this super is used to access the parent class. Next, we are going to see the abstract classes. An abstract class cannot be initialized and it only contains the abstract methods, whereas the methods without a body is to be called as abstract methods. Here the abstract keyword is used to mention the abstract class. So abstract class, the class name here is shape. And this abstract class contains a method called abstract void draw, whereas void is the return type of draw method. And here we are having the extend statement the class circle extends the superclass shape, whereas this superclass shape is the abstract class. Next is final classes. Final class which cannot be inherited and also it cannot be overridden. The final keyword is used to mention the particular class as the final class. So here see the example, final class, class name is final class, and within this class we are having only one method, whereas the return type of the method is void and method name is show. And in this method we are having system.out.println statement which used to display this is a final class. Next important topic is interfaces in Java. The interfaces is used to define a contract that implementing classes were as follow. Methods in an interface are by default public and abstract, whereas the inheritance can be achieved using this interface. Here the keyword interface is used to mention the interface within a class. And see the example. Here the interface name is animal, and within this interface we are having a method declaration, and the method name is make sound, and the return type is void. And in the class we are implementing the interface, so the keyword implements is very important. Here the class name is cat which implements animal. Here the animal is interface. So after implementing the interface to the class, we can make use that method what we have already declared in the interface. So here public void make sound, and in this method we are having a statement system.out.println where the content will be displayed as it is. Interfaces can extend other interfaces also. Here we are having two interfaces, interface A and interface B, whereas the interface B extends interface A. Here the interface A consists of method A, and interface B which extends interface A consists of method B. And we are having a class. The class name is C, whereas this class implements only B interface, but we can access the method A which is mentioned in interface A with the help of interface B, because the interface B inherits the properties of interface A. Next concept is packages in Java. A package is nothing but a way to organize related classes. We can create the package using this syntax: package space package name. And this package can be incorporated with the class. Public class, my class, and within a class we are having a method called displayOf. And this displayOf method consists of system.out.println where is used to print the statement as it is. How we can use the package? To use a package, we need to import that package name in the class. Here the import keyword is used to import that particular package, and we can make use of all the methods within a package. Here the package name is my package, and here it can be used in my class. Here we are creating an object for my class. The object name is obj, and using this obj we are accessing the display method. And as a summary, in today's class, we have discussed the basic concept of inheritance, whereas it allows the code reusability and hierarchy creation, and the polymorphism, which enables dynamic method execution, abstract classes, and final class, which has a specific behavior and which play an important role in Java programming, and interfaces, which provide a way to achieve multiple inheritance, and packages, which helps to organize code without naming conflicts. I hope this video is helpful to you all for understanding the basic concepts of inheritance and polymorphism in Java programming. Thank you so much.